Good morning, guys, and welcome to day number 8 in Varadero, Cuba. Looks like it's going to be an awesome day today, or much better than it was yesterday. It's quite cloudy. This is kind of a norm for the morning, and usually what happens is the clouds kind of burn off and it gets nice and sunny outside. So nice thing about today is there's not a lot of wind today, well, right now there's almost zero wind today, which is great. So hopefully we have a much better day today and get some beach time in. It's probably going to be, I think, based on the forecast, our last beach day, and which is okay. We're down to counting single digits before the vacation's over, so we're down to 4 days left. Today is day number 8, so Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then we leave on Saturday morning. So I'm going to enjoy today as much as I can. Katie's still in bed, and I'm just heading out for a run to start my day. It's about 8:15 in the morning. I'm going to go down to the main road and enjoy a great run. Hopefully don't sweat too much because it's not sunny out yet, but there's no wind, so we'll find out. Anyways, going to be a little nicer to the security guards as I'm leaving, so hopefully I don't get hassled on the way back in. But great way to start the day. Happy I can get some exercise in, and let's go do this. All right, guys, run is done. It's 9:06 right now, so it was out for about 45-50 minutes. Ran 6.7 kilometers. So I think that's the furthest so far this trip. It's good run. You can see in the sky, hopefully behind me, clouds are burning off. Sun came out for about the last third of the run and started to get really hot. Anyways, let's go wake up Katie, if she's not up already, and go eat some breakfast. Good morning, sleepyhead. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood.
Beautiful day in the neighborhood.
Would you be mine? Could you be mine?
Would you be
my neighbor? Good morning. How are you feeling today?
better?
Good.
Other than my voice still hasn't come back from the cold before I left.
It's okay, it means you talk less.
Oh, good.
Anyways, headed for breakfast right now. Pretty exciting morning.
But I have.
Yes, Katie found a Red Bull. They're expensive, they're like $5. It's crazy.
So different than at home sometimes.
True.
Morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
How are you?
It's a beautiful day. We're gonna go to the pool today, the beach today, probably the beach more than the pool, hopefully. Anyways, breakfast time. Yeah, it's like sauce. There we go. Breakfast of champions. All right, we're on a bit of a mission after breakfast this morning. Mission is to give away 2 pairs of these work gloves to the workers. The gardener guys, I saw them this morning when I came back from my run, but I think they've moved on. They used to be in this area. We'll find them though. If you look out there, a lot calmer water today, which is awesome. Past few days have been absolutely brutal on the north side of the island. It's been very, very wavy, as you guys have seen. Today is going to be a wicked beach day. All right, we successfully gave the gloves away. I was just standing on the balcony, and the 2 guys I was looking for earlier drove by with their cart full of garbage and stuff like that, and flagged them down and gave them the gloves. So they had a big smile on their face. So mission successful today. That was awesome. Wish I could have filmed it, but it was a last minute rush thing as they were ripping by in their cart. So anyways, 2 pairs of gloves gone to guys that need it, and we're just getting ready to head down to the beach.
Well, we're walking on a path. Going to the beach.
Possibly the last nice beach day. A little bit of waves today, but not like previously. Look at all the rocks exposed. That was all beach the other day. There we go. Much better. And seeing as this is where everybody comes down, I have to struggle to find a chair. Holy. Everybody's enjoying their beach day. Busy day at the beach. All right, mission one, find a seat.
It's not even hot.
No, it's not hot. Not compared to the first few days. It's like comfortable.
It's comfortable, yeah. It's gonna take a long time to get hot to go in the ocean.
Yeah. Had a super nice, the beach attendant guy brought our chairs down for us. We were just walking along kind of looking for spare chairs and he brought them down, which is super helpful. Always appreciate that stuff. So he brought 2 chairs down for us, cleaned them off. Water's much better today. Filming you, taking a picture of me, taking a picture of you, taking a picture of me.
How do I do this so I can hide my signature?
Just coconut water, it's perfect. And then afterwards they'll cut it open for you so you can eat the fruit.
Jonathan is making me get out of the sun and go for lunch.
That's it? That's all you're gonna say? No more complaints? I'm hungry.
I was falling asleep.
And I spit cold water on her.
Next time, you get the camera out and then do it.
Ooh, good idea. Didn't think about that. Again, we walk on the path. Walking on the path again, we walk on the path. Da-da, da-da, da-da. There's a little lizard thing on the path. Alright, lunch has been eaten. Bellies are full again. We are going back to the beach. It's about 3 o'clock. We'll try and see if we can get on one of the catamarans, as this probably is going to be our last chance.
It'll be far too windy.
Yeah, it'll be too windy on the rest of the days. So we'll see what happens. It'd be cool if we can get it done today. But if not, we will enjoy the sun. Either way, we're going to enjoy the sun. All right, so we did not make it to, well, we made it to the beach, but we didn't make it onto a boat. The wind was fairly windy, and there was a backlog of like 3 families or something like that, so it didn't happen today. So we just hung out at the beach. Katie sat in the sun, I sat in the shade, and maybe we'll do it on Thursday morning. We'll see, depending on how the weather is. So that's it. It's about 5 o'clock right now. We're just back at the room, and we are going to chillax for a while, and then we're probably going to go eat some more food, and then we're probably going to go to bed.
And hopefully to Havana tomorrow.
Hopefully Havana tomorrow, that's right.
We'll see.
It's cold in there. It's like cold air rushing. Well, just changed money $400 Canadian becomes 268 CUCs. Pretty poor exchange rate.
It should get better.
When?
Over time.
When Justin's gone?
Well, maybe that.
I think it's raining out right now. It smells like it.
There were some clouds rolling in that were... So just on our way to the buffet. Looks like there's a violinist that's gonna play.